Greetings, fellow adventurers. Today marks the commencement of a voyage into the soul-stirring landscapes of Alaska, a land of extremes and unparalleled beauty, rightly referred to as the last frontier. Over the next few minutes, we'll embark on a journey to unveil the secrets hidden within each season, delving into the nuances that render Alaska a truly unique destination. So, fasten your seatbelts as we prepare to immerse ourselves in the heart of Alaska. As we step into the thawing embrace of spring, envision the Alaskan wilderness in April, slowly awakening from its winter slumber. Picture vast expanses where snow, like a retreating tide, unveils a mesmerizing burst of colors, an intricate tapestry woven by the emergence of blooming wildflowers. It's a delicate reminder of the vibrant beauty hidden beneath the icy blanket that once dominated the landscape. In May, this natural canvas transforms into a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. Bears, having just emerged from their winter hibernation, are drawn to rivers, their instincts directing them to the ultimate feast, a banquet of salmon. It's a raw and untouched spectacle of nature, where the untamed beauty of Alaska comes to life. For photographers, this is not merely an expedition, it's an invitation to capture the essence of a wild, unbridled world. And then arrives June, a month that challenges the conventional boundaries of time. Here, the sun barely dips below the horizon, unveiling the mesmerizing midnight sun phenomenon. Imagine having a canvas of time for exploration, extended daylight hours that grant us the luxury of immersing ourselves in the breathtaking landscapes. Along the coasts, whales embark on a majestic journey, creating an awe-inspiring spectacle for enthusiasts. June becomes a symphony of outdoor activities, offering a menu of experiences from kayaking through pristine waters to embarking on scenic train journeys that weave through the heart of Alaska's wilderness. Now, let's delve deeper into the heart of Alaskan summer as we transition into July. This is the time when Alaska truly hits its summer stride, revealing a paradise for those seeking the perfect blend of mild temperatures, vibrant landscapes, and endless possibilities. Imagine the tranquility of mild temperatures, creating an ideal atmosphere for exploration. It's a season where every step leads to a new discovery, and the landscapes come alive with colors and life. But what truly makes July special is the wildlife spectacle: grizzly bears, masters of their domain, engaging in salmon fishing along the pristine rivers of Alaska. To our bird-watching enthusiasts, July is your haven in the last frontier. The skies are a canvas painted with a diverse array of avian species. From majestic eagles soaring above to charming songbirds filling the air with melodies, every moment becomes a symphony of wings and calls. It's an immersive experience into the avian world, where every glance upward offers a new feathered marvel. As August unfolds, the spectacle of wildlife encounters reaches its zenith. The Alaskan wilderness becomes a stage for cultural events and festivals that unfold against the breathtaking backdrop of nature's grandeur. Picture yourself amidst the rugged beauty of Alaska, surrounded by the festivities that celebrate the rich cultural tapestry of this land. But that's not all. August is a time when the continuation of the whale migration becomes a mesmerizing spectacle. As cultural events unfold, you have the opportunity to witness the graceful dance of these marine giants against the backdrop of the Alaskan wilderness. It's a harmonious blend of culture and nature, where the traditions of the land align seamlessly with the rhythmic movements of the ocean's most majestic inhabitants. So, for those seeking a summer adventure filled with wildlife wonders, cultural celebrations, and the gentle lullabies of the ocean, July and August in Alaska are the months to mark on your calendar. It's a time when the last frontier showcases its most vibrant and harmonious self, inviting you to become a part of this breathtaking symphony of nature and culture. Now, as we transition into the enchanting palette of fall, Alaska unfolds a magical spectacle. September is the maestro, orchestrating a symphony of colors that takes center stage in the Alaskan wilderness. Picture a visual feast where the landscape is painted with hues of red, orange, and gold, creating a breathtaking mosaic that captivates the senses. It's a season that transforms the scenery into a masterpiece, each leaf telling a story of the changing seasons. In this autumnal canvas, the moose gracefully make their appearance, adding a touch of elegance to the landscape. With a keen eye, you can witness these majestic creatures foraging for food, a ballet of nature preparing for the inevitable winter ahead. The air is filled with a sense of anticipation, as the northern lights begin their ethereal dance across the night sky, casting a magical glow over the Alaskan wilderness. As October arrives, it signals the bittersweet farewell of fall, transforming Alaska into a serene haven. The landscape, now adorned with the remnants of autumn, becomes a sanctuary of tranquility. Hot springs, hidden gems amidst the wilderness, beckon for relaxation. Imagine immersing yourself in the warm embrace of these natural wonders, surrounded by the crisp air and the echoes of the changing seasons. Charming towns, seemingly untouched by time, offer a glimpse into the quieter side of the last frontier. October invites introspection, a time to pause and reflect amidst the changing seasons. These towns, with their rustic charm and welcoming atmosphere, provide a unique opportunity to connect with the essence of Alaska, a place where time seems to slow down, allowing for a deeper appreciation of the natural wonders that surround you. So, as you immerse yourself in the serene haven that October unfolds, remember that it's not just a season, it's a chapter in the ever-evolving story of Alaska, inviting you to embrace the quiet beauty that emerges as fall bids its gentle farewell. Now, let's dive deeper into the heart of winter in Alaska, a season that transforms this vast wilderness into a mesmerizing wonderland. From November to February, Alaska dons a pristine white cloak as snow blankets the landscapes, creating a serene and tranquil atmosphere. It's a magical time when the world slows down and nature takes on an ethereal beauty. For the winter sports enthusiasts among us, this is your playground, a realm where the thrill of dog sledding intertwines with the tranquility of cross-country skiing. Imagine the rush of cold air against your face as a team of spirited huskies pulls you through a pristine snowscape. Feel the crunch of fresh powder beneath your skis as you glide through the silent woods. Alaska's winter isn't just a season, it's an invitation to experience the exhilaration and peace that come with embracing the snowy embrace of the last frontier. But as we move towards March, a subtle shift occurs. March marks the thaw, a transitional period where winter gracefully gives way to spring. It's a time when the wilderness stirs from its icy slumber, and the air is charged with the promise of renewal. Wildlife begins to stir, emerging from winter hideouts in search of food and warmer temperatures. Migratory birds return, filling the skies with their melodic calls. The last days of winter sports beckon, providing a final opportunity to revel in the snowy landscapes before they yield to the vibrant colors of spring. It's a poignant moment, witnessing the emergence of life after the winter slumber, a gentle reminder of the eternal cycle that defines life in Alaska. So, as we bid farewell to the winter wonderland, remember that in Alaska, each season is a chapter in a remarkable story, a story written by the land itself. Embrace the beauty of winter, witness the stirring of life in March, and prepare to be captivated by the unfolding narrative of the last frontier. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, a rich tapestry of experiences woven through the diverse and ever-changing seasons of Alaska. Imagine being immersed in the vibrant colors of spring, where the land awakens with a burst of life, painting the canvas with hues only nature can conjure. Picture the tranquil beauty of winter, where a soft blanket of snow transforms the rugged terrain into a silent, ethereal wonderland. The last frontier, as Alaska is fondly known, beckons with a timeless allure. It's not just a destination, it's an ever-changing masterpiece, inviting you to explore its depths and heights, to witness the dance of wildlife and the quiet majesty of its landscapes. Each season, like a chapter in a novel, unfolds a different facet of Alaska's charm, promising a journey that transcends the ordinary. As you plan your Alaskan adventure, consider the unique experiences each season offers. Whether you're captivated by the lively scenes of bears fishing in rivers during the warmth of summer, or seeking solace in the quiet reflection of hot springs amidst the golden hues of fall, Alaska caters to every soul. Let the wild and captivating heart of Alaska leave an indelible mark on your soul. Allow the untouched wilderness to awaken a sense of wonder within you, to stir your spirit and connect with the raw, untamed beauty of the last frontier. It's more than a destination, it's an encounter with nature at its most authentic. A journey that transcends time and leaves you with memories that linger like whispers of the wind through the towering pines. Now, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed some of the information that I was able to share with you today. If you guys enjoyed the video and found it informative, please feel free to let me know down in the comments section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more of such travel-related videos. If you are interested in even more travel content, then feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, where you can find an abundance of such content. You can even visit our website at travelupic.com to get some cool travel gear for your next travel venture. The links will be in the description below. It will be greatly appreciated. Until next time, happy exploring, and may the spirit of Alaska guide your journey through this awe-inspiring land. As you venture forth, may you discover not just the beauty of the landscape, but also the beauty within yourself, a connection to nature, a sense of awe, and a realization that, in the vastness of Alaska, you found a piece of your own untamed soul.